Hey everyone, welcome back to my DIY life, and if you're new here, please subscribe and tap that bell for more videos. Hey everyone, so today I am doing a grocery haul. It's mostly a keto or low carb grocery haul, and if I'm wearing the same thing and look exactly the same as one of my other recent videos, it's because I'm filming these right in a row. So if you're interested, please keep watching. So I actually did my first delivery order from Kroger yesterday actually. I'm trying to limit going into the stores, and what I was trying to do, I usually do the click list order from Kroger where you just order it and you like go pick it up in the parking lot. But the items that I could buy were so limited, and it seemed like there was more when I did delivery, so I paid a lot extra really to do delivery, which the good thing about that is, you know, they have a little bit more time, I think, to look for substitutes, because there's a lot of things that had to be substituted. There's a lot of things out. So he actually grocery shopped for like an hour and a half for my list, and there was a lot of things that were out, but he did sub pretty much everything. There were a few things that they still didn't have, like they didn't have diapers, which maybe they didn't have the size I needed, I don't know. But they didn't have diapers, didn't have any hand soap, and there's a couple other things that they were out of that we didn't get, but mostly everything that I needed I got. I didn't even have toilet paper on the list because it wasn't even an option to order it online. But anyway, this is what I got. I know I'm always off and on the low carb wagon, but I've just been eating like crap ever since this quarantine thing started, and it's probably gonna last a while. So I need to get back on a diet. I can't go to the gym or anything. And I know I can walk with my kids and stuff, but I don't do it often enough to offset the extra calories that I've been taking in. So anyway, trying to go back to low carb tomorrow. So this is my mostly low carb haul. So I got these red grapes, which I know not everyone eats them on low carb, but a few of them don't have that many carbs. If you have like 10, it's not hardly anything. So grapes. I got a huge bag of spinach. I got a bag of frozen Brussels sprouts. I got a bag of just a Kroger classic garden salad. I got 2 pounds of ground beef for like taco salad. What else did I do with it? Chili. Taco salad and chili. We got some mozzarella cheese. I got some chicken breast. I got some turkey hot dogs. I know hot dogs are not the best for you, but I do eat them a lot on low carb just because they're quick and easy. I got a whole bunch of my low carb yogurts, which you guys have probably seen these several times. The Carb Master vanilla yogurts. Even my children like to eat these. 5 grams of carbs. There's that. I got some tomatoes. Some cream cheese. I already have some salami from last week, so I got the cream cheese so I can make salami and cream cheese rolls. And then I got, let's see, some peanuts. They were out of my peanuts. I usually get the peanuts in the shells because I like them and they're cheap, but I guess they're out of them at the store. Maybe the guy couldn't find them. So I got these. Eggs. Lots of eggs on low carb. I got this, actually I don't know how many carbs are in this, not that much. This crumbled feta for salad, which I don't normally eat feta cheese that often, but it just sounded really good. So there's 2 grams of carbs per 1/4 cup, so it's not bad. So feta, and I got 2 salad kits, which maybe I'll bring to work. This is a Santa Fe style kit. It's got chicken and I guess kind of like spicy chicken and corn and cheese and like a spicy kind of ranch with the lettuce. I think this one might be a little higher in carbs because of the corn. It says, I guess 12 grams of carbs. There's that. I got an avocado. And I got a Cobb salad, which is egg, ham, bacon, cheese, and I think it has ranch. Oh no, this is blue cheese. With blue cheese dressing and then salad. I got all this like spinach for salad, and I got salad, and I forgot to get salad dressing. So I'm gonna have to go back and get that along with my diapers and everything else. And I got some popcorn, which popcorn, again, is not super low in carbs, but I do eat it. If you eat it in moderation, it's not that high. Like it says, about 14 grams per serving. And the calories are low too, so I do eat a little bit of popcorn. Really, popcorn is a relatively healthy snack as long as you don't like slob butter all over it. So I think that's everything that I got that was low carb. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know, has anyone used like the Kroger delivery or any kind of delivery? It was like a $10 delivery fee. Plus I had to tip, and I tipped him pretty well because I felt bad because he was in there like almost 2 hours grocery shopping, and I don't know how much they get paid, but I just felt bad. So I gave him a pretty good tip on top of the extra $10. So it was a little bit of a hefty fee for the delivery. So I'm not sure if I will do that again. I'll probably either go on myself or do the Kroger pickup, which I normally do, but it's just so limited when you order online. It's like they want you to order online because they don't want you in the stores, but then they limit what you can order online, so it's really not helping a whole lot. I still have to go in there, but I'm trying. All right, so anyway, thanks guys for watching. I hope everyone is well. Please like, comment, subscribe. Check out all my links below. Also, if you like ASMR, if you have not already seen, I have an ASMR channel. I will link that below. Please check out that channel. I've got like 52 subscribers, so I'm trying to up it a little bit. But anyway, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.